Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have batteries ready and the remote in hand. Start by inserting them with the plus and align to the markings. Once done, flip the power switch and watch for an LED or backlight to confirm the unit is live. Make sure the remote sits within 3 to 10 feet of the device you intend to control so the initial signals reach reliably. If you see no light, reseat the batteries and try a different set. Low power often stops pairing before it begins. You'll now pair the keyboard remote to the target device. Press and hold the pair or connect button until the LED blinks rapidly, signaling pairing mode. On the device, open Bluetooth or RF input settings and select Add Device or Start Scan. Pick the model name shown. When prompted, confirm a numeric code or accept the pairing request. Once paired, the LED usually changes to a steady or slower blink. If connection fails, restart the device and retry the scan to clear transient errors. You can now customize key mappings or enable function layers so media keys and shortcuts behave as you expect. Open the accessory app or device keyboard settings and assign functions. Test typing, navigation arrows, and special buttons. Check repeat rate and correct layout so nothing surprises you mid-use. When everything operates, save the profile and store the manual code. If a key doesn't respond, restart both units, repair, and try fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.